Hello friend. Do you still know me? When was the last time you called my name? In times you have a problem. Are you still praying today? Why, when it comes to my words, are you becoming blind and deaf? Seems very important to you is to take revenge and hurt others, other than to listen to my words for you. Words that you will definitely save your life. And words that you will definitely save your soul. Through this video is only an instrument to communicate and to remind you. I'm just here to guide you. You are my friend, and I'm always with you in everything you do to your life. Listen now to my words.
I will change your life full of happiness. I will give you eternal life without suffering. Forsake wrongdoing and do good to others. Just believe, and trust my words, because I am the only way, the truth, and the life.